What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video for you guys. I am sorry that I have not been doing a lot of videos. I have been busy, but not the point. Today, for you guys, I have a fish tank unboxing. Fish tank unboxing. Let's get started. Yes, I have a fish in my lap. Okay, so here's the box. Just a quick little overlook of the box. The bottom of the box, then top, just the top of the box. It says additional purchase considerations: gravel, decorative rocks, aquarium ornaments, plants, gravel cleaner, aquarium background, aquarium sand. It says the aquarium kit actually includes this. Aquarium kit includes aquarium air pump, filter system, 7 LED light fixture. It requires 3 AAA batteries, not included. Not the point. Okay, so let's get a better angle. I'm sorry, guys. My fish is in the lap. It's going on, so yeah. There is like a little tab right here that you have to open, so I'm gonna open it up. Actually, the quality of this video is actually kind of good. Open it up. First things first, we have is I already opened the box. I already opened the box because I wanted to look at it, but we have a lid, like triangular shaped lid. I guess some workings, instructions, and stuff. Hold on, guys, I gotta move. That's fine. Okay. So then, okay, we have the lid and stuff. We had the lid, and then we have like a hose. Look at them. Wait, look at the instructions. Okay, we have the airline tubing. The riser tube. Legs falling asleep. Okay, and then we have the filter plate. And then we have the air stone right here. We have an air stone. Put this back in the box or the bag so we don't lose it. Because if I lose it, I'll be in trouble. My friend John and his family, and his mom and his dad all went to the Pittsburgh Carnival. And dude, it was awesome. I had a lot of fun. Okay, so then we have the aquarium air pump. I'll be unboxing that. Ooh! And then we have the 7 LED light thingy. Press the button on top right here. And then for the main attraction, and yes, the tank is actually like the size of the box. Okay, we have the tank. This is a really nice sized tank. Like, spit off my head in it. This is a really nice sized tank. Yeah, I'm gonna be putting my fish in here because he's like making my leg numb. Yeah, I love fish. Yeah, you're not belly up, are you? Nope, we're good. He just stopped swimming for a second. I was like, oh gosh. This one was like $7 at Walmart. My friend John won his at the carnival. Cool. And I'll probably torch it to a fish, but I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like real quick. I'm not hurting the fish, so we're all good. The fish is alright. Okay, so yeah, we have the fish is in this little thing. We have this. We put this. Oh yeah, and on top of the lid, I forgot to mention, there's like a little LED thing, little LED light holder thingy. So yes, sir, I've already done this. You just take it. Okay, so this is actually a pretty good camera angle, guys. I didn't think I was gonna get a good camera angle, but yeah, you take it like this and click it in place. So now you have a nice little light. Now to get my fish some air, I'm not going to be able to put him in the water. He's already in the water, but like, I think you get what I'm talking about. Move that off to the side. Watch out, little fishy. Okay. Okay, so now I'll be unboxing. Okay. Yes, I'll be unboxing the aquarium air pump. Yes, I'm actually going to call my stepdad and see if I can actually put him in the water. Pretty cool. Okay, but yeah, I'll be doing that in this video. So I'm gonna be on a phone call in this video. So yeah. Oh crap! That's neat, dude. Okay, so nicely packaged, little box. We have this piece of paper, and we have the air pump itself. Hold on a second, guys. I'm going to be asking if I can put him in the water or in the tank. So I'm going to be on a phone call. This phone. Sorry, guys. Hey Dave, I'm doing a YouTube video. Can I put the fish in the water? What? How long are you gonna be? Like how many minutes? Alright, love you. I'll see you when you get here. Bye. That's my stepdad. I'm terribly sorry, guys. He said not right now. I'm not gonna want to get up to room temperature. This fish is just dying to get out of his bag, but I can't let him out of the bag right now. I'm gonna stop this video before the duration gets too long. But yeah, hope you enjoyed airsoft unboxing, fish tank unboxing.